Mebrahtu and Semira, a love written in the stars. In the heart of Mendefera, a town nestled in the Zoba-Debub region of Eritrea, where the golden fields of Taf swayed with the wind and the mountains stood as ancient guardians, lived Mebrahtu and Semira. They were both students at St. George Secondary School, where the echoes of their laughter and whispered conversations painted the corridors with the colors of young love. Mebrahtu was a hard-working and kind-hearted boy, known for his sharp mind and love for storytelling. Semira, with eyes that sparkled like the morning sun, was admired for her intelligence and gentle spirit. Though they had known each other since childhood, it was during their final years at school that they realized their hearts beat as one. Every morning they would meet near the old sycamore tree at the school entrance, where they would talk about their dreams. Mebrahtu wished to become a great writer, while Semira dreamed of becoming a doctor to heal the sick in her town. Their love blossomed in the simple moments, sharing books in the library, walking home together along the winding dirt paths, and exchanging handwritten letters filled with poetry and promises. But as with all great love stories, their happiness was soon tested. Semira's father, a strict man who believed in traditions, had already promised her hand in marriage to the son of a wealthy merchant. When Semira refused, declaring her love for Mebrahtu, her father forbade her from seeing him. Heartbroken but determined, Mebrahtu wrote Semira a letter, slipping it into her favorite book in the library. In it he promised, "No matter what separates us, my love will be like the sun. It will always find you." Semira found strength in his words, and for months they continued to meet in secret, their love growing stronger despite the obstacles. But as the wedding day approached, Semira knew she had to make a choice: surrender to her father's wishes or fight for her heart's true desire. On the eve of her arranged marriage, Semira made a bold decision. She escaped through the back door of her home and ran to the sycamore tree where Mebrahtu was waiting. Together they sought refuge in the house of an old teacher who had always supported their love. The town soon learned of their defiance, and whispers spread like wildfire. Mebrahtu and Semira knew they couldn't stay hidden forever, so they bravely faced Semira's father. Moved by their unwavering love and the support they had from their friends and teachers, her father finally relented. "I see now," he said, sighing deeply, "that love is not bound by wealth or tradition, but by the heart's truth." With blessings from their families, Mebrahtu and Semira were allowed to be together. They continued their studies, chasing their dreams side by side. Years later, Semira became a doctor, healing the sick of Mendefera, while Mebrahtu became a renowned writer, sharing their love story with the world. And so the sycamore tree at St. George Secondary School remained a symbol of their love, a reminder that true love, when guided by patience and courage, can overcome even the greatest of obstacles.